Edpuzzle is a new technology that I have just learned about recently through one of my coworkers at my school. She's been using it during this time of virtual learning. It's really great because you can create videos and your students can answer questions while they're watching the video, so it ensures their active engagement. I would choose to use Edpuzzle mostly if I was gone from the classroom and I had a substitute, because I think it would ensure active engagement and learning from my students when I'm absent. They would have to watch the video that I created and stop anytime it stops them to answer questions and get graded on those questions. So this is the Edpuzzle homepage, and then I can go to my homepage, and it's really neat because it shows me all of the math teachers in my school videos that they've created. So you can see that I have created one, and then there's some from other teachers here. And it can also show me all of the teachers at Memorial and the videos that they have made, which is neat. So to create content, you would go to My Content, Add Content, and you can create a video, upload a video, create a student project, or a new folder. And I'm just going to click Create a Video. So to create your video, you have to upload a video, or you can make one at that time. So I'm going to upload one I've already made from YouTube by going to YouTube and copying the link and then searching for it here. So it brings the video that I've already made. I can cut it, do a voiceover, or add questions. So I'm going to click Add Questions. Throughout it, I can pause at any time.
Plus 33.
And ask my students questions about what's going on in the lesson. So, for example, I could say multiple choice question, what value was y replaced with, and then give them multiple choices to answer. I could also ask it in an open-ended, or I could just leave a note. Make sure to replace y with the entire value. Anything like that. Then, when you're done, you would click Finish up at the top, and you're able to assign it. You can go back and edit it again, duplicate, or delete. So if I hit Assign, it would bring me to the classes that I uploaded from Google Classroom. I could choose them and assign it to them. Once I've assigned it to any of my classes, it would show up in my class part, and I could also see my grade book based on if they completed the questions, and then that brings me back to my content. The Iste Standards that this Edpuzzle would line up with are 3E, which states develop learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable view of student progress in real time, because the students would know right away if they got the questions right or not, and I would be able to see if they were focused and engaged or not. As well as 2E, share lessons learned, best practices, challenges, and impact of learning with technology with other education leaders. So I could meet with my job alike and we could discuss the progress our students are making that we've seen throughout these videos.